Hey guys, so in my previous video I did my exhaust, and if you haven't seen that, take a look over here, or one of the sides, I don't know. But it sounds pretty good to me. It's definitely throatier, it has a good sound. You can't really tell on the video, you'd have to kind of hear it in person, but it sounds great. But everyone wants me to take these baffles out and see how loud it is with that, see what it sounds like. I have a feeling it's going to be too loud for me personally. But I'll take them out. They're really easy. It's just a single C-clip. And we'll see how that sounds. So I noticed something very interesting. I live in California, and they have different exhaust that actually goes to California if you order it. I don't know if it's definitely a smog thing. I'm not exactly sure. But there's a little tiny tab here that's welded in place that kind of makes it difficult for you to take the C-clip out. And you just have to break it off. And that's amazing if that's all they do for a deterrent. But, oops, it was that easy. I just broke it off, so now you can take the C-clip out. These are kind of a pain in the ass. I already did the other one, not on camera, but I may be here for a while just clicking it back and forth. It's kind of a pain. Let me see here. Come on. Well, I finally got it out. That was a pain in the ass. The other side was way easier for some reason. But all you gotta do is yank that out. That's all it is. Just restrict some of the flow, I guess. So let's see what this baby sounds like. Okay guys, the decibel killers are out. Let's do the sound test. dB killers or baffles or whatever you want to call them are out. Visor down, turn around. Well guys, can you tell the difference? I certainly can. It's way louder. It's a little raspy for my taste, but I suppose I could get used to it. It sounds good under heavy acceleration though, I have to admit. I like that. Around town though, just putzing around, kind of sounds like butt. It's drastically worse with the deceleration popping though. That's kind of annoying. I mean, it's okay, but whatever. It certainly could be my imagination or the placebo effect, but I swear it does feel a little punchier now. It feels like I can breathe even more
than with just all the exhaust in the X-pipe. With those baffles out, I don't know. I could just be totally just thinking that, but it feels that way to me. So each step of this process has gotten better, better, and better. The only downfall to taking the baffles out, the final step that I think I would do, is it's just a tad raspy for my taste. I suppose I could get used to it. It just revs out so fast now. That was the first time I hit rev limiter. It was an accident. I try not to do that too often. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you like my videos, hit that bell if you feel like it. Oh, here comes a cop. Oh, this guy. Speed limit. Oh, man. See if he pulls me over. I wasn't going that fast. He's cool.